Hello friends, welcome back to Market. Today is 28th of November and I'm back again with another update. Let's start with Nifty's weekly chart as usual. So Nifty this week has gained a little over 0.5% and it has made an indecisive candle at the top, which is not very good, and it is also right at the trend line resistance that we had discussed earlier, but it has closed slightly above the previous week. Right, friends. The previous week candle also was very short in range, and we had seen some selling at the top. And this time too, there was selling at the top, and there was some recovery towards the end of the week. RSI is close to overbought zone even in the weekly chart. In fact, this RSI of 70 is the highest I think since more than a year now. Right, friends. So let's switch to the daily chart. Even on the daily chart, we can see most of the movement has been sideways in last 4 5 days, including this big red candle where we saw there was a huge selling at the top. So this high is 13,100. Right, friends. So as far as support and resistance goes, it is above the trend line resistance. It is around that trend line resistance, and above that we don't have any previous reference. Nifty is pretty much in an uncharted territory. As far as the support goes, we have 20 EMA, previous highs of 12,430, 50 EMA, 12,000. So these could act as support, and resistance wise, the top where there was some selling seen, which is we are almost there itself, so could offer some more resistance. RSI has cooled down a bit from the peaks of around 78. It has now come down to 68, and it has RSI. You can see it has made a lower low. Let's look at the hourly chart. On hourly chart, we have seen the higher low, higher high has been maintained, and here we can see that a lower high is being made, not exactly, but I think it's getting formed here. So wait for a pattern to get formed, like a lower high and lower low. Let this low be taken off. Then I think if this low is taken off, then it could see some more correction, and if this high is taken off, then there could be some more up move. But it is market as such is in an overbought zone clearly, and quite extended. In fact, the rally from September, this lows of 10,800 from here, we can see this was 21% up move. Markets have definitely hit it up in an overbought zone. There could be some correction. So please stay cautious with your long positions. Right, friends. So let's look at the other sectors. Mid cap and small cap have been, last couple of sessions have been really good for mid cap and small cap, and in general last 2 weeks, although although Nifty is moving sideways last couple of weeks, small cap and mid caps are actually gaining. It's small cap here especially, a lot of specialty chemical stocks, and so did really well. Let's look at other sectors. Energy is near the previous highs. IT is still moving sideways, although we could see some break in pattern. It is making higher lows, and it has made a higher high as well. But it is still kind of moving sideways. Metals have been doing really good, but this rally already looks quite extended. FMCG close to previous highs. Bank Nifty also is, we have seen some sideways movement in Bank Nifty over last few days. Pharma is still moving sideways, but it has made higher highs. Finance is mimicking Bank Nifty. Auto is quite strong. Media still moving sideways, and Realty did see a good rally here. Right, friends, let's look at India VIX. India VIX is still moving sideways and at the bottom. Gold has been correcting quite a bit actually. So you can see the sharp fall on the HDFC Gold ETF. So people are taking risks and investing more in equity and moving away from safer assets. SGX Nifty is indicating a small gain over the last close. US markets also moving a bit of a sideways. So that's pretty much on Nifty. Friends, let's look at the sector wise comparison. So this is 5 days of chart comparing sectors with each other. Metal stands out clearly as a outlier on the upper side, and on the lower side we can see energy and a lot of sectors here in line here, and metal stands as an outperformer. Right, friends? Let's look at this chart here. I've made a custom dashboard just to track the daily, weekly gainers. So daily gainers are the ones which have gained more than 3% in the last trading session. Weekly gainers are the ones which have gained more than 7% in the past 1 week, and monthly gainers are the ones which have gained more than 15% in last 1 month. And gain in this period is actually a custom period. I have set this to September 23rd, which was the previous low. So September 3rd, since and from then to now, who are the major gainers? And daily gainers, as we can see, pharmas have doing pretty well. A lot of pharma companies have moved up. Home electronics like Dixon and Amber, Voltas, so they have been doing pretty good. Specialty chemicals have shown a new rally, have started a new rally. A lot of specialty chemicals are moving up. Finance and agrochemicals too have a few of the companies have broken out of their consolidation and are showing some rally. That's pretty much here. And on a weekly basis, we can see pharma, banks, finance, agrochemicals, and gas distribution. Friends, so this was a news-driven move, but there was some regulatory changes in the gas distribution, so which is looking good for the gas distribution companies, and they also saw pretty good gains in the last trading session. Let's get back to Nifty. So that's pretty much, friends. Thanks for watching the video. See you again in the next one.